Hi guys, here is BLC. Today I will introduce Android 8.0 Oreo system special head unit for Toyota Highlander 2050 years to 2017 years. This unbox review, you can check this box. Okay, let me open the box. You can check. Head unit harness. This is special harness. Special harness. This is canvas box. Canvas box, and this connector connect to head unit. And there this power cable. Power cable and the speaker cable. Okay. This is speaker cable. Connector. Okay. This is radio. This is also speaker and steering wheel. Okay. This connector you can check. And this connector. This plug and play connector for Toyota Highlander. Okay, you can check connector. Special for Toyota Highlander. Plug and play. The audio cable and radio connector. Okay, this is special harness. This GPS antenna. Okay. This is let me check this cable. This is original USB cable. Original USB cable. Microphone. Audio cable. AUX, camera in cable, and 2 USB cable with external microphone. Okay. This is special head unit for Toyota Highlander doubling 10.1 inch. You can check side. Okay, back. Okay. 10.1 inch RPS screw. This is drying agent. Okay, you can check. Let me power the head unit. Okay, button lights were on. It's a power button shows the navigation Android 8.0 built-in microphone reset hole. You can change logo. Also, if you any more questions, you can contact to us. I mute just. Okay. Let me check the head unit. You can check this. Can install application OEM is built-in OBD2 board wallpaper DAB plus. Okay, it's already installed. This built into vehicle. It will show car info, fuel info, decoder by CAN bus. This will show the control setting. It's built in Google Maps Play Store. Support dual screen, and you can change the logo in the settings. It's built in Wi-Fi. You can check the system language. You can add so many languages. Okay. And check the system. You can check Rockchip PX5 Android version 8.0. Okay. This volume button, home button. Okay, let me change the logo. You can find the car. Factory setting. Put the factory password 126. It will show car logo. You can choose the car logo and choose Toyota. Okay, please apply and exit. The machine will reboot. Its button lights can be changed in the settings. It's special head unit for Toyota Highlander 2050 year to 2070 year. Show the Toyota logo. You can custom logo. Okay, thank you.